add sorting to the previous exercise by replacing the date of birth heading with an anchor link. So basically we have to add sorting, and when the anchor is clicked repeatedly, the sort order should change. You can read the whole question and I'll show you what we have to do actually. I'll first of all run it. So this is how the form opens, and this next, this all works as usual. This is the default order, and when we click on date of birth, it sorts them in ascending order, and when you click next, the ascending order works throughout the paging also. When we click on date of birth, then everything has to work in the descending order, and you can see that when I move to this is now in the descending order. So this is what we have to implement, and for this let us see what we have done. In this case, we'll come to the index.cshtml.cs backing class and we will see what modifications have been done. This you can see was already present in the previous exercises, and this time we have added these two additional properties, the sort order and the sort column. Sort column I have added because I have demonstrated this for one column date of birth, but you could have it added for other columns also. So sort column property can be used to store the column by which we want the sorting. We can make any internal rule, 0 for the first name, 1 for the last name, 2 for DOB. So null is for none because this is a nullable property. Similarly, for sort order, we can write +1 as ascending, -1 as descending, and no sort means null. So this is an internal convention or internal rule that we can say that we can maintain. And after this, when the